This is the current status of our repository with these files. Now I will create a new branch, create some files, and push that branch to this repository. But I will not merge that branch. Please keep in mind that we don't have to merge branch. You just have to push that branch. After that, I will verify the pull request and I will merge the branch. Okay, so let's see how you can contribute to this project. So first of all, you have to copy this. After that, you have to come in and command prompt. You have to go in the directory in which you want to work. And you have to create a directory. This directory already exists, so I am creating new directory. Cd new project. I am changing the directory, and after that you have to create one git. You have to create one git repository, and you have to take this git repository here. So I am adding one remote. Name of that remote is origin, and that remote is connected to the URL I have provided. So before that, I have to initialize an empty git repository. So I use this command git init dot, and after that I will use this to add a remote repository with name of origin. So now if you will see the git branches, these are the branches. There is no branch here. So we will use command git fetch to fetch the current status of directory, our existing GitHub repository. So we use the command git fetch. So here we get main and new branch. There are two branches right now, main and new branch. So now if you will run the same command, you will see there are two branches present on remote, and there are no local branches till now. So first of all, I will create a local branch. So how to create that? For that, you have to use this command git checkout, and then b flag, and then branch name. So suppose there is a branch with new feature. Okay, yeah, new feature. Okay. Now if I will check, git checkout main branch main setup to track main from origin by reverse. So git checkout on which branch we have to check. Using git status, we can check that we are on branch main. Okay, and go to check all the branches. So for that you can see there are these many branches. Git main is local branch, and the below two are remote branches. So now I am creating one new branch, that is new feature. This follows main. So if you will check now, there are two remote branches and two local branches, and we are on new feature branch. So on branch new feature. Now we will create the new feature. So suppose I am creating one file, anything. And I am saving this file in latest.py. So if you will check now, this is our directory. hello.py, index.html, latest.py, login.html, and so this is here our latest.py file. So now we will do git commit, git add dot, and then git commit sm message, any appropriate message. So created latest feature. Suppose the feature name is latest. So here we get our commit is ready. Now I have to push new feature branch to our repository. So the branch is pushed to the repository. So here you can see that we get new feature had recent pushes less than a minute ago. So you have to do till this step on. Okay. After that I will click on compare and pull, and then I will create pull request, and then I will merge the request manually. You can do this using the command. First you will check out to main branch, and after that you can merge new branch. Although it is already pushed, so it will show not something we can check. Did you mean origin new branch? Yeah, origin new branch. So it is already updated because we have already pushed. So this command will not work right now. This is working, but this is not merging the directory here, as you can see here. Okay. Although you don't have to use this merge command, because if you will merge the merge the directory or merge the new branch in main branch, then it will be difficult to check and review the work you have done. That's why don't merge, just do till this step. So I'm creating one file for you guys so that I can share with you, although you can watch the demo as well. So these are the command I use just from here on. So you have to do till here only. That's good. So if you want to check more, so here on branch main, and furthermore we can delete the branch. So git branch d and then new feature. So before that I would like to merge this so that I can show you how the changes will look like. So here we go, GitHub demo, and here latest.py file is in the main branch. Okay, and now new feature branch is here. So now I'm deleting. If you will see all the branches right now, these are the branches. Now I'm deleting new feature branch locally. This okay, it is not fully merged because I have not issued the merge command. That's why it is not fully merged right now. So I'm forced deleting this. So now if you check, new feature branch has been removed, and if you want to, but it is present here till now. Let me refresh the page. Just see the branch is present. If you want to delete it from remote as well, then you can do like this: git push origin double dash delete and then new feature. It's done. So now I will if I refresh, sorry, here you can see there is no branch like new feature. Okay, so done with the video. I will share the screenshot. The command which is required for you guys are in that. Please follow that only and don't do merge requests and don't issue merge commands. Thank you.